What's going on, boys and girls? It's another video, it's another Tuesday, it's another explore. This time, it's derelict factory. Probably not the wisest of days to go exploring, because we've got whatever storm we've got going on. Rain, wind, you know, it's not ideal. Nonetheless, taking a little look through. We're inside, thank God, but it's still, as you can hear, pretty damn wet. So look at this crane that's just dumped in the middle of here. That's crazy, because that's a bit of money in it, to be fair. Almost looks military, the colour on it. I know, I'm not a crane expert. Someone set the cab on fire. Just look at that. That's crazy. Wow. Condor, is it? Jeez. This place is mostly going to be photography shots, I believe. Just, you know, reflection. That's where I want to see you. But, you know, it's interesting. It's a bit of a video. Just take on a look through. Oh, Christ, looks a bit worse on this side. I can't believe someone would just leave that there. That's crazy. Even scrap value, you know, on that is in the thousands, isn't it? Damn. Wow. What a shot that's going to make. I haven't got a lot of history on the factory. Don't exactly know what it was to begin with, or why that's just left in the middle of it. Reminds me of the old Park Davis factory down in South Wales, which is no longer there because it's been converted into whatever. What a space, wow. Just look at the reflection on that. Gorgeous. Let's have a little look. You can hear the wind blowing the shutters round you. Unbelievable. Some metal building still here. Looks like it's been on fire as well there, to be fair, I think. Yeah, the beams are dropping. Crazy. I'm still amazed at that crane. That's like some apocalyptic sort of stuff to see the boys down there. What have we got going on? It steps up. Let's have a nosy downstairs first. I just love the way the water's just bouncing everywhere. Awesome. Quality records room. Should have my torch up first, shouldn't I, really? Let's use the phone one. Yeah, actually. Yeah, it's been on fire. Not a lot to see it in here, I don't think. Goes right through though. Sorry guys, no, the GoPro isn't the best in the dark. Let's go up this side. Graffiti. It's randomly taped off for whatever reason. Ah, there's outside buildings. Quite a bit to see here. GWR, so that's railway stuff, innit? So I don't know what was constructed here. That's because the roof's in. Fire extinguisher plots. Incredible, wow. Graffiti. Sugar candy stuff. Sugar candy. Skull candy. Oh, and I found ourselves a little forklift as well. A Coventry Climax sort of thing. Buildings everywhere. There, literally just walking through the water in here, guys. And that's literally a mirror image. That's awesome. Wow. AIB. Guessing they would have run cranes along the rails at one point in here. Would imagine so. The size on it. Sorry if some of you are a bit boring. I know the last 4 minutes we've basically walked the factory floor, but something a bit different to what we normally do. That's cool. You probably hear the wind kicking in here now on the GoPro, so bad it actually is out there. Security help, the looks of it. See what I mean? It's not ideal out there. It's not a good beard day either, it's blowing everywhere. So look at that. Obviously normally where the gas bottle goes. Wow, you literally sit on the engine. Gearbox. That's cool. Really cool. Just got a little nosy now. Appears to be buildings everywhere, security huts everywhere. I'm not left in them, guys. What a day to be out. They're literally bare shelves, chest freezer in there. We're back in the factory. Just gonna have a little nosy in here. Whoop. Literally oil everywhere, so almost went. That'd have been good, wouldn't it? What we got going on here then? Apart from oil all over the floor along with the water. No smoking. I did a bit of research on this. It hasn't started off well today, guys. We might be going to see some more mining houses which are up on the mountains, but the weather's brought us here, so Kurt had the pins, so it's a bit of a surprise one. So sorry, I haven't got much history, but I will pop some down in the description for you. Just have nosy what's out here then. Apart from more wind. Another building. Literally outside. It's a bit of random car parts in places. Just gonna have a look what's here. Oh, boiler room's nice. Wires galore. Literally hear the wind just howling through you. Blowing everywhere. Wow. Just look at the size on those. Unbelievable. Wow. Probably full of asbestos in here. Knocked down around you. Respirator must have worn. Tell you, after 11 years of exploring, if I haven't got asbestos in me already, then I'll never have it. Ladder up. Right, so to the main. You lost my hat. To the main building. We're gonna have a look up them steps, and we'll pick it up there. See you up there. Right, now we said we were going to do the upstairs first, but just crossed past with Mr. Lee when I was taking some photos, and he's told me I need to come check out this building. I know we just had a little look outside previously over. I thought there's not a lot in here, but to be fair, it's pretty cool just because of how trashed it is. Burnt out, you know, it's like going through a crime scene, if that can make sense to it, if anyone can relate to that anyway. Just a crazy feeling, obviously, because it's burnt out, there's water dripping through, and it's pretty cool actually. I don't know if these would have been the classrooms, teaching rooms, what was going on over there, or the main offices really. It's got a stairs there, I want to go check it out. Little update as well. When I was walking, taking pictures of the crane, I actually seen an inspection tag on the back of it, and it was June 2018 it was last inspected, so obviously it's been put there after the factory, which then makes you think, is it like a stolen crane or something? Who knows? But to be fair, I don't really fancy that, you know, big dude and all that. So yeah, let's go scramble across and let's pick it up in that middle thing I promised. See you there. So there we go, as promised. Let's go see what the upstairs is like, if there is anything left. I would say no. Probably up there anyway. Back down to where the crane is. Awesome. It's not very, what's the word I'm looking for? Pleasing when you're walking across the concrete and you can know it's totally collapsed in those places, as you can see. So yeah, let's wrap it up there. It's a little bit different. I've enjoyed it. I look forward to get the camera out, get some pictures. And yeah, we'll wrap it up there, guys. Thank you for watching. Love and support. I know the channel has gone crazy recently with subscribers and views going up, so I'm obviously doing something right. And yeah, peace and love as always. Boss out.